Is the IFRS 9 compliance costing you a fortune? Are you a bank CEO? Are you a finance manager? Or do you work in a bank and you're having challenges of IFRS 9 compliance? The International Accounting Standards Board introduced the new standard, which is called IFRS 9 Financial Instruments, which helps provide a more prudent way of managing risk, especially for our portfolio. Now, the challenge is that many people are afraid of what is the impact of the IFRS 9 new provisioning on their profit and loss, but also on their equity. And at Summit Consulting, we have introduced the IFRS9 Toolkit, which makes the process entirely very easier so that you can go and play with your children as well as play the games you like, as the toolkit takes care of everything. In the toolkit, we do first the IFRS 9 compliance roadmap, then we train your staff and brief everybody so that they know their role in the journey, and you remove doubt and worry so that compliance is made swift. But also we have a module for the board briefing so that the board is not led in darkness. They are aware of the impact and they can be able to approve the IFRS 9 policy or credit policy, which will now help you in implementation. And most importantly, we have a Microsoft Excel toolkit, which when we import all your loan book into that Excel sheet, it easily computes all the required disclosures by the central bank and also as required by the IFRS 9. And what is most interesting is you are able to compare the IFRS 9 impact vis-a-vis the IS 39. So that way you have a clear picture of what is the change when you transition to IFRS 9. And remember, this IFRS 9 compliance for all financial institutions is supposed to be effective 1st January 2018. So by now, I'm sure you have done something. But when you have the toolkit, it makes your life very easier. You save money, you save costs, but also you get a lot of value from your auditors. Because some of our clients, we have found that the auditors are providing them the tool. So you see, the auditor cannot provide you the tool and also audit the same tool. So you end up paying a lot of money, but also losing a lot of value. So when we give you the tool and we come and help you implement, then your auditors can independently audit the quality of our work. So you find that you get from two different expertise, you get a lot of total value. And I think that will make your business succeed. You don't have to break the bank or your business to pay for IFRS 9 compliance. Thank you.